Hey guys, welcome back to another Subway Surf video. Today what will we be doing?
We'll be playing Subway Surf.
Challenge.
What is the challenge?
You don't really know. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe and give us some challenges to do. Well, not challenges, some games to play and we'll play it. Just leave a comment.
Yeah, greatly appreciated.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Well, whatever. Why'd you say, well, whatever?
Messed my, saying up, what it is. Pronunciation.
Our prediction of the time would be about 5 minutes.
Yeah. Sometimes it takes a while to upload. For me, the slowest it's
No,
been.
I meant,
Oh, the video.
yeah. The video.
The longest we've done was about 10 minutes, right?
Yeah, about 10 minutes. We don't like doing long videos because the new guys will just get bored.
Yeah.
They can do, what if you want? We'll do like typical gamer and stuff, people like that do like an hours long video. We'll do it.
Yeah. It really depends what day it is and what we're doing.
Yeah, but we'll still do it.
Yeah. What do they do the hours videos on exactly?
A computer. What do you really mean?
No, like game.
Oh, like GTA 5 and games like that. Uncharted 4.
Minecraft.
Yeah, Minecraft. I haven't seen any on Minecraft.
I've seen one on Stampy and Friends.
Now is long.
Hour and 7 minutes and 51 seconds. Still remember it. Have you died yet?
No.
Wait, what? Is that a yes or a no?
No.
No. You have a low high score. What's your high score?
5,596.
Really?
Yep.
Mine's 213,000. And 243.
Good work. So after we just finish this video, we're going to be uploading a Minecraft video.
Yeah.
Like straight away. We'll be working on it.
Yeah. Coins.
So,
I'm just gonna double up the coins because I can. Great, boring ads. Not ads, videos. Why don't you just save me?
Because I don't want to use my
Please. You can double that up.
But how?
Press double up.
What does it do?
You have to get a video and you'll get 2 then. You get exactly double the amount.
Oh, well, I didn't really want to do that because I'm mid-recording. Turn it down. Well, sorry guys. What did you do?
I pressed double up.
Oh my god. Useless.
I'm not useless.
Yes, you are.
I'm not.
Oh, too.
I'm quite helpful in my class.
Yeah, but you're very annoying, lady.
I'm not.
Yes, you are. Don't you argue with me.
I can't argue with you. And I am.
Next time we die, we'll stop. That'll be peace out.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's 5 minutes exactly now.
I'm gonna kill myself. It's a bit laggy. Well, yeah.
Okay, don't play again. Okay. Thanks for watching.
Okay.
Peace. Leave a like, subscribe. See you next time.
Bye.